Creating a unique raised bed garden can add both functionality and aesthetic appeal to your outdoor space. Here are some creative raised bed garden ideas to inspire you. Tiered raised beds. Build a series of raised beds at different heights, creating a tiered garden. This not only adds visual interest but also allows you to grow a variety of plants with different sunlight and watering need. Keyhole garden. A keyhole garden is a circular raised bed with a notch or keyhole in one side, allowing easy access to the center of the bed. It's a space efficient design that's great for composting in the center and growing vegetables around the edges. Spiral herb garden. Construct a spiral shaped raised bed for growing herbs. This design not only looks visually appealing but also maximizes planting space and provides easy access to all your herbs. Wagon wheel garden. Arrange several raised beds in a circular pattern to resemble the spokes of a wagon wheel. Plant different herbs or flowers in each section for a charming garden focal point. Vertical raised beds. Make use of vertical space by attaching smaller raised beds to a trellis or walls. This allows you to grow vining plants like beans, peas, or cucumbers while saving ground space. Raised bed with built-in seating. Combining the functionality of a raised bed with a comfortable sitting area, build a raised bed with integrated benches or seating around the perimeter to create a relaxing garden space. Raised bed pond. Convert a raised bed into a miniature pond or water feature. Line the bed with a pond liner and water aquatic plants and perhaps some small fish to create a tranquil oasis. Recycled material gardens. Use recycled or repurposed materials to build your raised beds. Old wooden pallets, reclaimed bricks, or discarded tires can all be used creatively to construct unique raised beds. Geometric shapes. Design your raised beds in interesting geometric shapes like hexagons, triangles, or octagons. These shapes can make your garden visually striking and break away from the typical rectangular or square beds. Raised bed labyrinth. Create a labyrinth garden using raised beds as the borders. Plant different herbs, flowers, or vegetables along the path for a meditative and visually engaging experience. Raised bed with climbing structures. Build raised bed with arched or trellised entrances, making your garden feel like a sacred hideaway. This also provides vertical growing space for climbing plants. Container raised beds. Repurpose containers like old bathtubs, wheelbarrows, or wooden crates as raised beds for a quirky and eclectic look. Raised bed with green roof. Add a green roof to your raised bed by planting succulents, sedums, or other low maintenance plants on top. This not only enhances the visual appealing but also provides additional insulation. Herb spiral. Build a spiral shaped raised bed for growing herbs. The varying levels provide different microclimates for various herb species with distinct sunlight and moisture requirements. Remember to consider your climate, available space, and the specific needs of the plants you want to grow when designing your unique raised bed garden. Thanks for watching.